Today I am going to talk about the refining of metals. How we can purify metals. There are various processes for the purification of metals. The first method is liquation. These metals which are having low melting point, this tin and lead, they are purified by liquation. That is, heating the metal in a sloping furnace. These metals are taken in a sloping furnace, and on heating, this metal melts and flows down, leaving behind the impurities. That process is called liquation. Metals having low melting point can be purified by liquation. Second, distillation. This zinc and mercury, they have low boiling points. They easily boil. Boiling point is very low. So they can be purified by distillation. On distillation, they distill out easily, leaving behind the impurities. That process is called distillation. Third is electrolytic refining. This copper, silver, gold, etc., they are purified by electrolytic refining. Copper is, example is copper, they can be purified by electrolytic refining. The method is, the metal to be purified is taken as the anode, and a thin sheet of pure metal is taken as the cathode and connected to DC. So this is cathode and this is anode. This is impure metal and this is pure metal. So here copper, pure copper. This impure metal is impure copper. That is kept in copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. When DC current is passed, in the anode, copper in the anode oxidizes and go into solution and deposited at the cathode. So anode, Cu gives Cu2++, 2 electrons. They go into solutions. And at the cathode, the Cu2 plus ions gain 2 electrons and deposit as copper at the cathode. Anode, copper will go into solutions as copper ions, while these copper ions will gain 2 electrons from the cathode and deposit at the cathode. So, all the copper in the anode will go into solution and will deposit it at the cathode. So, the cathode become thicker and thicker during electrolytic refining. Next process is Zorn refining. In Zorn refining, that is semiconductor metals, that is germanium, silicon, etc. The semiconductor metals, that is 14th group elements, they are purified by Zorn refining. The metal to be purified is taken as a rod fitted with a circular heater. This fitted with a circular heater. And this is metal to be purified is taken as a rod fitted with a circular heater. The principle is the impurities are more soluble in the melt than in the solid form. So when the switch is on, the heater works, the metal begins to melt, the impurities will go into the melt. Then this heater is moved to one side. So as the heater moves, the melt also moves along with the impurities and will be deposited at the other end. And this process is repeated many times, and finally the other end will cut off. So you get pure semiconductor, and that process is called Zorn refining. The next is vapor phase refining. phase refining. The condition is the metal when react with a reagent forms a volatile compound, and that volatile compound on heating should give the metal. That's the process. And one, Mond process. Purification of nickel. Nickel is purified by Mond process. That is, nickel is heated with the carbon monoxide to form tetracarbonyl nickel 0. This is in the gaseous form. The gaseous form they form. It is collected, and on further heating, this tetracarbonyl nickel on heating, further heating at 450 Kelvin, that decomposes to give nickel and carbon monoxide. That process is called Mond's process, purification of nickel. And next, second, vapor phase refining, Van Arkel process. Van Arkel process. In Van Arkel process, this titanium and zirconium, they are purified. Zirconium, titanium, they are purified by Van Arkel process. So here, this titanium that is heated with iodine in an evacuator retort. The metal is heated with iodine in an evacuator retort to form tetraiodide in the gaseous stage. So TiI4 in the gaseous stage. And that titanium tetraiodide on further heating using 2000 Kelvin tungsten, 1800 to 2000 Kelvin using tungsten filament, you get pure titanium and iodine. And that process is called Van Arkel process, purification of titanium and zirconium. So these are the various processes for the refining of metals.